if you grab all of your guts and you pull them to the side, off of your aorta, you can see 3 major arteries, as long as your kidney stays along the wall. You've got 3 major arteries coming off of it. Here's my aorta. It's running behind the superior vena cava. Nope, you can see it if I pull back this guy. Here it is right here. It's got 3 major vessels coming off of it. So this one is the celiac artery, the superior mesenteric, and the inferior mesenteric. Okay, so what is this? Celiac artery,
Superior mesenteric.
and inferior mesenteric artery. Okay. Sometimes because the celiac artery, right, it's really thick, we call it a trunk. Cool. This one here, there's a branch coming off of the celiac artery going up to the stomach. This is the left gastric. And oops, sorry. I don't remember which one that is, so don't worry about it. Okay, let's see what's next on here. Okay. All right. We've got the stomach. What's the first thing off the stomach? Yeah, coming. No, I meant like you've got stomach. The next region of the guts is the duodenum. Okay, and then we come down and we become the small intestine, the jejunum, right? All of these, see all these little red guys on here? These are your jejunal arteries. Jejunal arteries. And then if we keep going, you get down to where the small intestine and the large intestine meet. Close to there, these are your, which arteries would these be? The ileal arteries. Good. And then coming up, let's get a good. Here's where my ileum and my colon meet. The ileocolic valve is here, so this guy is the ileocolic artery. Ileocolic artery. Okay. If I have pinned one of the blood vessels, and all you see near it is more small intestine, assume we're in the jejunum, and those are jejunal arteries. Good? If I pin somewhere and you see colon next to it, so if I pin right here, then you know we're in the ileum, and these are ileal arteries. If I pin the one right here, this one is the ileocolic. Okay. So what's this guy?
The
Celiac artery.
Superior mesenteric.
Inferior mesenteric. Okay. Jejunal ileocolic. Inferior. I didn't grab the sigmoid colon in mine. I didn't clean it out good enough. I really need to find Kathleen's cat. It's right here, but it doesn't look pretty. Yeah, I'll have to find Kathleen's cat and show you the sigmoid artery. And then the superior rectal artery we won't worry about, because it's down in there. Okay, so which one is this one?
Celiac.
Celiac.
Superior mesenteric. Inferior mesenteric.
Okay. The ones in here.
Jejunum. Arteries.
Jejunal. In here. Ileal. And this one? Ileocolic. Okay, I think it's still intact on mine. There's a little artery that's really easy to tear. We've got going, in our colon, we've got going up is the ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. Here's my colon here. Coming up right into the middle of the colon is this artery right here. This is the middle colic. it gets torn a lot. So it'll be extra credit if it's pinned, the middle colic, because it'll be really easy for you guys to tear it. It goes straight up to the middle of the colon. Okay, in our cat, all of the, I was telling you that yellow was lymph, and sometimes it is, but yellow is actually the venous drainage going back to the liver. So we've got all of this yellow. I don't make you know the names of these. I only make you know names of the major ones. Right. Here, got them cleaned up. This one here is the superior mesenteric. Right. If you move it, all of your midgut moves. See, it comes down and goes into the midgut. All in here. Okay. So if you pull it, the midgut moves. Okay. This is your splenic coming into it. Okay. And that's about it. Okay, so this one is the, no, it moves, I move it in the midgut, superior mesenteric and the splenic. Okay, these guys, this one maybe not, but this one here is a pain to clean out and pull up, so it's unlikely that this one will be pinned.
That's
This is the splenic vein.
Okay.
Yeah, these guys are all yellow because they're going to the liver. They dye them that way. And some of your cats, you might not even see it. This is tearing. Yeah, and the hepatic portal vein is hard to see. You have to dig it out. I didn't dig it out yet even. So we won't pin the hepatic portal vein, but you need to know it. And then inferior vena cava, the big blue guy running all along down with the aorta, is the inferior vena cava. Good. Make sure I got everything. Splenic. Yeah, the splenic artery you can see. Vaginal, middle colic. Okay, don't worry about any of the ganglion because they're in a cat. They're very small, not important. Okay. One last thing. Remember how your kidneys are retroperitoneal, right there on the other side of the peritoneum? Your aorta is the same way, so you'll have to peel back more of the peritoneum to get to it. And I already peeled it back, which is why my kidney is free floating now, because I totally peeled away the peritoneum. But okay, so arm yourself with a probe, not with a scalpel. If you need to, you can